Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace. If it's your first time here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I will be starting a series called the A to Z of product design. The reason why I decided to shoot this video is because I realized that a lot of product designers are overwhelmed with the jargons in the industry. So I'm like, okay, let me do a series that covers this. So I'm going to start from letter A through to Z, explaining several concepts, breaking down principles, and also I'm going to toss in a bit of tools into the mix as well. To make this series very engaging, I'm going to use talking head videos, but beyond that, you're going to expect practical examples as well as tutorials so that I don't bore you to death. Sounds like a deal? Okay, let's get into it. But before we do, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Starting with letter A, today's word is A/B testing. So what exactly is A/B testing? A/B testing is basically a method used in UX design to test a product to see which performs better. So typically you would have two versions of that same product, version A and B, hence the name A/B testing, that the product designer tests to see which performs better. Usually there's a specific goal for this test, so it could be to improve the overall user experience or increase retention or conversion. To help you understand this better, I'm going to use an example involving Uber. So this is an hypothetical example. Let's assume that Uber realizes that a lot of people are no longer clicking or booking rides on their app. Let's sweeten this even further. Get the product designer tasked with making these changes, so you need to run an A/B test. Here's how you go about it. The first thing you need to do is to create two versions, version A and B. A is the control group and B is the experimental group. For version A, you're going to leave it exactly the way it is currently on the app with the black button for request a ride. While for version B, you will decide to choose a different color. Let's say we choose a blue color. So that's the first step. Once you have these two versions of the app, the next thing you're going to do is test with users. The way this would work is that within the app, we're going to randomly show the two versions to different people as they use the app. The interesting thing is that these users are going to use the app as per usual because they wouldn't realize that you are testing the app. So this allows you to get really natural results from their interaction with it. Once the time frame for the test is done, what you need to do next is then analyze data. How are you going to do this? You're going to utilize tools to track how many people or how many of the users tap each button. The objective is to determine which color gets more tap. This will help you to understand which button or which version was popular with the users. If the blue button receives more taps than the black button, it validates the assumption that the button affects user interaction. The next step is to make improvements. With the understanding that the blue button performed better, you can then propose that Uber implements an overall change around the app from the black buttons to the blue buttons in order to increase user engagement. And this process doesn't end here. You would need to then continue this over and over again because it's an iterative process and you will continue testing various features to enhance the app continually. In summary, A/B testing involves creating two versions of a product, testing them with users, collecting and analyzing data, implementing improvements based on the results, and then repeating the process iteratively to enhance the product. This brings me to the end of this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I have a question for you. Can you guess the next topic in the series? If you do, I have a gift for you. Make sure you drop your guesses in the comments, and also if you have questions or you have specific topics you'd like for me to cover in this series, please let me know. Share them in the comment section. Until I come to you next time, love and light from me.